Hi cousins, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I am happy today. I'm so happy. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. Yay! To those who have been here since we started this YouTube channel, you know your girl that she just thought that time when you're sleeping and you just thought, I want to do the YouTube, but you don't have the equipment, and I did not wait for me to have everything. So I started with my phone. So I decided to buy a tripod. I know it's not a fancy tripod. Don't come for me, okay? It's not a fancy tripod. It's just something, Jay, because all along I've been using my phone, like my hands and my broomstick. So I bought a tripod on YouTube, on Amazon. I bought a tripod on Amazon, and I'm going to do unboxing. I'm going to unbox with you guys. Let's see what's in the box. So yes, this is the thing. This is the box. Okay, this is it. So we want to see what's inside. What's inside? Dun dun dun. Let's unbox together. Let's unbox together. So I've never done an unboxing. No, people they do this. YouTubers, you do this. We are doing it today this side. Woo, I'm so happy. I can't wait to see what's inside. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Okay, yellow with key. So let's do this together. I'm so excited, guys. We have no idea how I was struggling to do this vlogging. And when you are doing vlogging, sometimes you want a close up, you want to do this angle. But the people that you're living with, they are not in the mood to borrow you their hands. So, panga pakatoipa pacha. Unodofosoka wakangoma. Anyway, let's do this. Yes. Now let's open. Let me do this so that we will see together. Okay, Lord. So that's how it's packaged. Khaki cup. Tafu cover amabhuku nekhaki cup. Tafu cover amabhuku nekhaki cup. Anyway, this is that. And the tripod. Even sit there. And the tripod. This is the tripod, guys. Doo-doo. 170 centimeters tripod for phone and camera. It's a Lhasa brand. Lhasa brand. I'm so excited. Um, yeah. Let's open. Let's open and see. I hope this phone is recording. Otherwise, I will cry. Let's see. Ooh. Ndakutouraya rakomani. Ndakutouraya ndega ndega. But yes, chichadona. What is this? I don't know if you know what is it. I think it's a phone holder. This one. I don't know. And it's in a bag. It comes in a bag. This bag. Which is very nice. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Let's open and see. Mm. Bag will put you there. And ta-da! Ta-da! Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is the tripod. Like, guys, I don't even know where to start, how to start this thing. how do you like open the things? I'm even scared to, but I think it's okay because I have no idea. I'm used to a broomstick, so this whole thing is, and they don't have a manual. Like for real, hi, Bo. There's nothing in it. I don't have a manual, nothing. Oh, there is. There's something. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna cry. So here is the manual. Professional video tripod user manual. Yes. So I'm going to see how it works. This is my first time owning a tripod. So I have no idea. Kuti unotomutibata papo woita papo zvoita sei no. No a broomstick. We just put elastic and you're good. You're done. So let's see. This is the manual. All right. Uh, introducing the what. It's introducing the tripod. Refer to illustration one. Where is illustration one? This is illustration one. All right. I think that is everything they're showing me. This is the foot tube, flip, lock, what, rubber pads, and what. Number two, it's panning, tilting, and 90-degree shooting. If I want to tilt and like to show you the angles, okay? To show you the angles. This is illustration number two, and raising and lowering the center column when I want to raise this thing, like maybe to adjust and what. This is where I go, and extending and adjusting legs. I go this. Okay. There are warnings: do not exceed the tripod's maximum capacity, that is 2 kg. Even, do they think I have a phone that weighs 2 kg or a camera? I don't know, maybe there are cameras that weigh that much. But yeah, make sure the head is securely locked before use. Yeah, that's all it says. Thank you for purchasing our laser products. To ensure the best after sales service, please read and follow these guidelines. So I have to read this before I do anything. Does it have a warrant? The warrant does not cover. Okay, our products are guaranteed against defects in workmanship and materials for a period of 1 year from the original purchase day. So 1 year in a warranty, 1 year. Can I find anything that happens? I can return it within that 1 year. But after that, it's all on me. Yeah, guys, I'm happy. I'm going to try and assemble it, like to try and see which one, what works, who works. Then I'm going to come and show you. Okay? For now, let me do that. Let's do this. Hey. So yeah, guys, we managed to assemble the thing. Look, we managed to do it. Look. So this is not the maximum. I can extend it. Go to Irebe. Let me try and do that so that you see how tall it is. So it's this. This is the height. It's 170 centimeters. So let me try and assemble it to see if we can extend it that much. So you see, you open this, but it won't get hard to take much. If I open this one, I can extend. So think I need a wobbly. The way I'm so scared of breaking this, guys, you have no idea. I have no absolute idea. You see, it will be too thin. Look at this, but anyways, yeah. See how tall it is now. If you can see, let me show you. I want to move a little bit. See how tall it is now. Almost it's reaching my door. That's where I want to put it so that you can see it clearly. So yeah, Let me move. Let me move this side. See how tall it is. Like it's reaching the door. Almost not reaching the door, but yeah. It's very tall. It's very, very tall. See how tall it is? That is the door. So it's there. Ewa, yakareba. Yakareba, yakareba. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. So yeah, let's cook. Let's taste it. I'm going to be tasting it tonight with my cooking vlog. Okay, so
Grateful, yes I am. I am grateful, yes I am.